it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've got another project I'd like to share with you guys today. This one is just a super quick and simple mini album that holds about 12 photos. Awesome for camping trips, of course, going to the lake, whatever kind of hikes you got to do. We've got some different little interactive elements and it's so easy to make. So this is an album for inspiration. Again, I did use Photo Play Lakeside, designed by Becky Fleck. I'm just totally in love with this paper. I did use more of my stickers, right? The rest of them. And then I used up this cut apart page in my last book. So I'll leave my last book in the description as well, okay? So this is so cute. I've got their ribbon and I've got this paper pack, right, from scrapbookcreate.com, okay? So I'll also leave that shop down below because I got 2 projects out of 1 pack of paper, okay? So that's only 12 designer paper cardstock, okay? That's it. That's it. Only 12 sheets of paper and I got 2 books out of it and they're so cute. So here on the front cover, I've got one of the ephemera pieces also that I used. Look at this. They're gone. I used them all. Super awesome, right? Super cute. Goes with the collection. And then we've got a sticker here and here and there and I popped everything up. They sent me some twine and some little matching ribbon. Oh, just beautiful. Love the forest green. And it's got a shine to it. It's really, really cool. And then on the spine, I've got some twine right there. It almost has like a waxy feel to it. Same as this one. And then we've got some ribbed ribbon right here. And that's about 1/4 inch right there. And on the back, super cute. Got the wood grain for my spine wrap again. And so it's super easy, right? So you open this up. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. And here on the front inside cover, haven't said that in a while. We've got this cute little Brad button I just had in my stash, and then some black twine, right? And this unwinds, super cute little ephemera piece. This is just a super cute compass, right? This flips up and down. So we've got places for photos. Of course, I did some more journaling. And then there's a place to put a photo here, even if you wanted, and here. And then here's the top. We've got a sticker mounted on white cardstock, fussy cut around it, stuck it down only on one side. There's a super cute little frame right there, a little die cut. And then this adorable little moose with glasses. Oh my God, that's just adorable. It's insane. Okay, so that closes back up, right? You just twist this back on. And then this opens to the left. And then we've got more picture space here and here. Super cute little grizzly bear right there. And then adventure little banner. And these were some more of the die cut pieces. You know, it's got hike on there. I didn't know where to put that, so you know what? I just made a pocket. And a couple other pieces, a little campfire, some birds, a fish, and some mountains right there. Love the paddles. And over here, one of the ephemera pieces. This was a sticker, fussy cut around it. I popped that up. I love the Labradors. It's so adorable. So this just flips over. Super cute little bird, places for photos right there. I mean, you could stuff a photo under here too, but I mean, just totally customizable, right? Look what you can do with this paper collection. It's just so super easy. I put this together in like an hour or so. I'm not even kidding you. Awesome little ephemera piece, a sticker right there. And then this is ephemera and another sticker. Ephemera, sticker. And then we've got this awesome little tag. And then awesome cotton twine, right? Look at the doily. Oh my gosh, enjoy the beautiful outdoors. Yes, places for journaling on the back of there. And then we've got a cool little photo insert. This was one of the ephemera pieces. I just cut it down. The little lab in the boat, so cute. Or a little canoe. Another sticker on the back there. And then this one's a little ephemera piece for journaling. And 2 small photos right there. Oh my gosh, love the boats back there. And this just tucks right back in here. And that is it, guys. This is what I created. Super quick, inspirational book for everyone. Using Photo Play Lakeside by Becky Fleck. Thanks guys so much for watching. Bye.